In this video, I will tell you how to fix too many requests in Chat GPT. So there are two ways that you can actually fix it. The first is actually clear your clear your browser cache. Okay, so you will click on settings here, and then you will search for cache, and then you actually have to clear this cache memory. Okay, you will click on this one and just tick this cached immediate size, and then open up the Chat GPT again and see if that's actually help. And the second method is very simple. What you're gonna have to do actually, you will head over to openai.com, and you will not open the Chat GPT from this link here. Okay, you will not click on this link, and you will also not open Chat GPT like this. Chat GPT. Okay, you will not open the Chat GPT like this. Instead, you will go into the openai.com, and then you will click on this try option here on the top where it says try. So you will click on this one, and then it will actually loads up for you. So this error occurs when actually more and more people are trying to access this Chat GPT. So I hope that this will solve your problem, and if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.